Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Greetings everyone, my name is Sibulele Bodla. I am the co-founder of Incentive Fine Fragrances. We are a cosmetics manufacturing company. We started off with fine fragrances and now moved on to other cosmetics products like lip care, lotions, etc. So the reason we started the business as a whole is because we saw a gap in the market. Yes, there were other companies that were doing this product, but we wanted to do a better job at providing very affordable fragrances, but without compromising on quality. So we wanted the best quality around. So what we did was a research. Did we like what was available? What is the most expensive fragrance and why? So after doing that market research, we found that the same companies that are making the designer scents that will cost anything from 1.5 to 5,000 are the same companies that are doing the generic fragrance oils, which means there is no fake perfume. Now with doing that, we took it upon ourselves to say, as a Kasi-born company and a business, let's push away all the brands that invade and come with inferior quality while promising high returns to our brothers and sisters that are reselling for these companies. On Instagram, it's incentive underscore fine underscore fragrances. We are also on Facebook, it's incentive SA. You can also find us on our website incentive.co.za, where you can order online and pay with our payment gateway. Also, you can find us at 24921 NU11B, which is where our lab is located and where we can also purchase our products, etc. Hi, my name is Sibulele Bodla and I am a township entrepreneur.